Now this illustration deals with different size conductors and a device included. And so again, notice it's EMT, metal raceway, so there's no equipment grounds involved here because we're referencing 210.118 and we're using the EMT as our equipment grounding means. Now, notice in the count you have two number 10s just passing through the box. They're not spliced, they're just passing through. Now, we have a number 12 ungrounded phase conductors that there are two of those ungrounded hot conductors that are spliced, and we have a pigtail. And so therefore we have two pigtails, but we have actually, we would have two number 12s and hots and two number 12 neutrals. And then we'd have a bonding jumper. So this is the count that we see in this illustration 12-14A. Now, with this information toward the count, we can move to the next illustration, 12-14 little b, and we'll perform the calculation to determine what size box that we need based upon the fill area we just reviewed.